This lesson is 6.5. We're going to be doing number 2. It is on problem solving, find equivalent fractions. And the directions say to solve each problem. So first of all, when we read our problem, we're going to do cube. Cube is circle the number, underline important information, box the question, and eliminate unnecessary information. Good job. So let's do that now. Ready? Say. Miss Groves has trays of paints for students in her art class. Do we care about any of the rest of that? No. Each tray has 5 colors. One of the colors is purple. What fraction of the colors in 20 trays is purple? So in this one we get to draw a picture. So how many unit bars am I going to draw for this?
Going to draw 20.
I could draw 20, yeah.
5, I guess, maybe.
Okay, so each tray has 5 colors. One of the colors is purple. So if I did 5 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is purple?
1.
1. So I'm going to just put a P for the purple. Okay, so what is my fraction that is purple right now?
1/20.
1 what?
1/5.
1/5. Right. Now I'm looking for what fraction of the colors in 20 trays is purple. So what do I need to figure that out? What do I need to do to figure that out? All right, so we have 1/5, and we want to find out how many in 20 trays. So that's one of our fractions is 1/5. Now let's times it by 20. So 1 times 20 is what? 20. What's 5 times 20? 100. Good. So there's our other fraction, 20/100ths. Now let's check to make sure that we labeled it right. What fraction of the colors in 20 trays is purple? Okay, great. 20/100ths. All right, let's look at number 3 also. Let's do cube. Ready? Go. Miguel is making an obstacle course for field day. Let's eliminate that. At the end of every 6th of the course, there is a tire. At the end of every 3rd of the course, there is a cone. At the end of every half of the course, there is a hurdle. At which locations of the course will people need to go through more than one obstacle? Okay, so we have at the end of every 6th of the course is a tire, so let's write tire and 1/6. And then at the end of every 3rd is a what? A cone. Okay, and at the end of every half of the course, there's a what? A hurdle. Good. So we need to go through the course and find out at which point people will need to go through more than one obstacle. So let's go ahead and draw our chart again for 3. Let's divide it into 3. So how many unit bars am I going to draw in the one with the tire? 6. So I find my halfway mark, and then I do how many on each side of that? What's half of 6? 3. So I do 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I have my cones. How am I going to divide this one? 3. Okay, the cool thing about this is I know that I can follow that exact line, and it's going to be exact, right? So this is 1/6, this is 1/3, and now with the hurdles, how many am I going to divide the hurdles into?
1/2.
1/2. So I go right to the halfway point again. Okay, so can you kind of see? Let me write this in a different color. So we have 2 at this one, right? Oh, that's not a great color.
Can't really see it.
Yeah. Okay, so I've got 1 right here, that's the 2, right? And right here, and right here. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Okay,
So that, how come there have to be
so because it said At which location of the course will people need to go through more than one obstacle? Okay, so we have the 1/3 point, right? Because this is right here. This is the 1/3, so we'll write 1/3. Can you see that okay? Not really. I'll write it over here. 1/3, comma. That's right here. And we have the 1/2. Would you agree? Right here. 1/2. What else? And then right here. Right here. Which one is this one? 4/6 or 2/3 if you simplified it, right? 2/3. Yes. And right here at the final. Would you agree? And final. Okay. That's the answer. Did it help to draw a picture? No, you couldn't see it right on the line, so I just wrote 1/3 again. Okay? All right, got it? So we have 1/3, 1/2, 2/3, and final locations. All right, it helps to draw a picture. Make sure you draw a picture so it sorts out in your mind what you need to do. Good job.